Hello friends, welcome to Shalini's classes. So today we are talking about how to improve your spoken English. I'm not talking about the advanced English, I'm always talking about the basic English. If you are a beginner or if you are a student, you can join my channel and I'm just giving the basic knowledge how to improve your English and how to improve your vocabulary. So what if I'm saying that I am able to speak English and I want to improve my English, so what can I do? So what is the basic things behind that? The fact is that if I'm saying that I will improve your English within 5 days, within 7 days, within a month, that is not possible. You already know that that is not possible. That if I'm saying that yeah, I'm improve your English within 10 to 20 days, 1 month challenge, I'm not saying like this. If you really want to improve your English, you have to work on it. You already know these points, but I'm saying that what is the basic step to follow to improve your English. If you are a beginner, if you are a learner, if you are a student, what the tips in this video I'm showing you that how can you improve your English in the very basic level. If you even you are know only ABCD alphabets, that is this video is for you. You can avail the very good advantage from my video. In this video, watch full video without don't skip my video. You just watch and think that what is the basic things to improve your English. Firstly, we can say that yeah, if I'm saying that improve your vocabulary, that will be helpful to your English. That's it. That obviously, if you don't have the words, you can't speak in English. You have a minimum word in your mind that you have to able to speak English. So where we can improve our vocabulary, we can improve. Many of the person says that I can improve my English. I learned 100 meaning in a day. I learned 50 meaning in a day. No, that is not possible. We can just only say that. In actual, that is not possible that we can learn many of 100 meanings learn in a day, particular day. Sometimes it's not possible. I'm not saying everyone not can able to learn this, but many of the person does not have enough time, so much time, just because we have lots of things to do. So firstly, we will start from learn at least 5 to 10 meaning in a day. If you are work on your English, you can learn 5 in the morning, 5 word in the morning and 5 word in the evening or the afternoon, as much as you think that. So it's my opinion that firstly you are improve your vocabulary. 10 meaning in a day, it's a very not a big task. You can easily learn 5 meanings in the morning and 5 meaning in the evening or the afternoon. After that, you have the minimum vocabulary to use in English. So firstly, you will build up your vocabulary, and then I'm not saying that after build up your vocabulary you are able to speak English. That is not possible. Just we are getting some collection, we are getting some words from the vocabulary. If I have the minimum vocabulary, then I can start to make sentence. So firstly, you will improve your vocabulary, then you will take one particular word, just like apple. Everyone knows about the apple, so we are just taking out one word from our vocabulary, that is apple, and you will create a simple 4 to 5 sentence on that particular vocabulary. Just like I'm giving the example that apple, you will just start from the apple. Apple is a fruit. Everyone can easily make this sentence. So these types of sentences you can create minimum 4 to 5 sentence on particular word, and then slowly you will get it that yeah, I can make the sentence and write the sentence, and then you will think in English, and then you will explain to translate in English. That is the main thing. We are not focusing that we have to think in Hindi and translate in English and then we will speak. That is not true. That is not possible. Whenever I will speak in English, we have to think in English and translate in English. That is the basic thing you can follow. So from my opinion, you think in English and speak in English. Don't translate Hindi to English and then you will speak from your tongue. So this is the basic thing. Firstly, you can improve your vocab, and then you will create 4 to 5 sentence, and then you will practicing of shadowing. What is the meaning of shadowing? Shadowing means if you don't have the minimum member to speak in front of them. So you just stand in front of mirror and you just start for 4 to 5 sentences in front of mirror. That is called the shadowing. So for two processing, after two processing, you are able to minimum to start speak English. Minimum word you can, through minimum vocabulary you can start to speak. That is the very big deal. So this is my opinion that you can start, and next processing we will meet in the next video. Thank you.